welcome back to my channel. Let's make a delicious holiday side. We'll be making some potato gratin or scalloped potatoes. To get started, I have the potatoes soaking here in some cold water and I slice them super thin. You want to slice them thin because if you slice them thick, they'll take a long time to cook. Here I have some half and half milk and cream, Colby and Jack, pepper jack, some sharp cheddar, I have butter, flour, and for the seasonings, I'll be using some all-purpose seasoning, Tony's complete seasoning, black pepper, paprika, some garlic, and onion. So let's start by making our cheese sauce first. To a skillet with a bit of oil, I'll add my butter, allow that to melt, then we'll go in with our grated onions and garlic. We'll give that a good stir and let it go for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing it to release all of those flavors. Once the flavors are released, we'll go in with our flour, mix that in and allow that to go for about a minute or two, just to cook the raw taste out first before we add our half and half milk and cream. Next, you want to add the half and half, give it a good stir and allow it to come up to a simmer. Once it simmers, it will thicken and then we'll go in with our cheese. So at this point, you want to add the cheese and you want to stir it in and make sure that they are nicely melted. Now, if you notice, my cheese are melting super fast and that's because I used the block cheese. I did grate it myself. You want to use those to get the best results. And once we've added our cheese and they're melted nicely, we will go in with the seasonings, give that a good stir. And that's it. We will remove the cheese sauce from the heat and get ready to assemble our potatoes. Next, you want to go ahead and dry your potatoes as much as you can with a paper towel because you know potatoes, they release a lot of moisture. Once they cook, they will release a lot of moisture and you want to get them as dry as possible so that they're not super wet and runny. Once they are dried, you want to add your cheese sauce, give it a good stir, make sure they're well coated. If you want, you can layer it, but I feel like that's not necessary because they get coated anyway in the cheese sauce when you mix them all together. So once they're all mixed in, we will now transfer it to our greased baking dish. We will cover this and place it in a 400-degree oven for about 1 hour. Once the hour is up, I will show you guys the next step. After about 1 hour, your potatoes should be nice and tender. If they're not tender, you could place them back in as long as possible until they're fully cooked. Once they're nice and tender, we will now add our topping of cheese. We will add a layer of cheese over top, place this back into the oven for about 10 more minutes. The last 3 minutes, you want to set your oven on broil for it to get that nice golden brown color. And after about 1 hour and 10 minutes, our potato gratin is finally done. It smells amazing. But what you want to do here is allow this to cool off for about 20 to 30 minutes before digging in. You want it to sit. You don't want it running everywhere. So you want it to cool down, and once it cools down, this is how it will look. It is super creamy, flavorful, and delicious. It's the perfect side dish for your holiday table. I did play this up with some stir-fried vegetables and roasted chicken, and it was a hit. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients that I used down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Have a good day, and thank you for watching.